all sunny. Never mind. The microphone we see every microphone working? Yeah, cool. Croeso pawb, welcome everybody back to the chaotic legacy. Creadigol i'r legacy chaotic. So there's a few little bits and bobs have happened. So I did stream this live a little bit on Twitch, the last part, because I was building and just getting bits and bobs sorted. There's a little video that, because while I was getting just some stuff rounded up post-stream, o'n i'n cael pethau sortio allan ar ôl streamio ar ôl wneud hyn. My cariad yn died, and then last time we had after the wedding, he died after the wedding, the marrow, the priodas. Mai had a baby after, di cael babi hefyd, so we have our first third generation sef Creadigol, Gen 3 gynta Creadigol. Cariad's gravestone is in the Mynwent, is in the graveyard. I will show that in a second. Yeah, Hugo's moved in because I didn't realise, I missed on Herm's gravestone, she gallu rhan gravestone Herm, so when Hugo dies we will have his gravestone tied to the cemetery. So welcome to the video. This is streamed live. Mae hwn wedi streamio yn fyw. Diolch I pawb sy'n in the stream. Thank you to everybody who's in the stream. I wedi bod in the streams and have been in the streams. Really appreciate you. Diolch ar iawn. Diolch I pawb who's watching on the VOD. Diolch. Thanks for watching the VOD. I appreciate you as well. Diolch I pawb. Appreciate I pawb. Diolch am gwylio. Diolch I fod yma. Thank you for watching. Thanks for being here. Can't upload to YouTube otherwise. Before we go into the chaoticness, I need to do dipyn bach o some off-stream management, because pethau bach off-stream management a little bit. I think the main aim today is, before my Sim dies, I would like to have another wedding before we have another funeral. So ni'n cael priodas arall cyn ni cael cnebrwm arall. That is main aim. What am I here byddai'n fyw amdan? 5 o'clock, dwi'n gallu cael mwy o gas. 5 o'clock I can get more gas, so we've got more time. But yeah, I forgot, like, the legacy's been quite calm so far. It's been quite calm. Thingy and lawr. We'll see. So there's this is on the gallery's Capel Awen. This is a cemetery / wedding venue I built. It's under generic lot. Mae dan lot generic. Mae'n lle ti gallu cael prydasau a cael mynwent hefyd. Mae yna un problem hefo'r mynwent, which I'll show you. There's only one problem with I've mentioned this on the Sims gallery as well, the little comment arno. Really hawdd I picture trwsio, really simple to fix. I didn't know I was building it. I'm really sorry. I'm still new to building with some stuff. And trying base game, I trio cael gwahanol effeithiau in base game and trying to get different effects in base game without being in debug. Because I'm going to try and build Techniquest next. So I've got a museum-y art place. I've got the leisure centre, Canolfan Hamdden, which is based on a Welsh leisure centre. Canolfan Hamdden and Pwllheli. So I want to get a science bit next, I think. So, as Mynwent, what I've done is decked out the inside a bit. So dwi'n newid tu fewn dipyn bach, so more for wedding, dipyn bach with priodas. Going to dipyn bach o byrddau. We've got some tables so we can put the cake in the middle. I know this looks really weird out here, but so they can be made caca and they can bake a wedding cake if they need to, if they haven't made it before leaving the house. Because that seems like something that might happen today. This is Cariad's grave, and as you see here, it is a gravestone and it's slightly different colour of green. Mae 'na gwyrdd dipyn bach gwahanol a mae'r grey stone yma. And os dwi'n rhaid am fama, I know the urn, it changes back to urn. Basically, these stone walls are half walls. I think by putting them up, the lot thinks it's on the inside still. I'd lot more bod o dal ar tu fewn dal. So if you have downloaded this, I do apologise about that. The way that I've done it is this bit. So you know. So mae'n dal fel na. Don't want to delete this. The way I've done it is ti'n defensio to get it back to thingy. Just one simple one, just for now. To the way I've done it, I think this should work with this. No. Okay, you can't do it to the back ones. Then you get. So you can't do it to the back ones. Sorry, there's a spider near me and I'm very aware of it. See, you can change to these middle ones. So this is Herm's one. I'll just move them out of the way. What you basically need to do is get any sort of fencing. It doesn't matter. Do you really? Yeah, wait. I think this is the way I found best to do it. I have to like fix. I don't know. I have to re-upload it or something. Then you've created a room. Delete your room. Counts as outside again. I don't know why. I think it's because I try to use half walls to make it look like outside, fel tu allan. Like to make, because these are half walls, these stone walls are half walls. So I think it makes it think it counts as inside and then bodies, which is unfortunate. But these middle rows you can change. The back rows you can't at the moment, but I might try and do that off stream and like re-upload it then. But yeah. So hopefully this is where Envis is gonna marry Crystal. Let's just save that. Let's have the other one. That's the main aim today, just getting on a date and getting married and maybe having a baby. Because so I was thinking about keeping I think I'd do Mai and the team at keeping Mai and Kurt in this house, but I think with the state the house is in, which is not a bad state, didn't want to stay at Dewch, I honestly think going to the house that I built once the baby's a child, so I'm cheating different back, because there's an elder sim, there's another, and there's about 4 adult sims in the house. So even if there's 2 kids, when there's enough people to look after the kids. Mae digon o pobl I edrych ar ôl y plant, and that is my my cheat for it, I think, anyway. So that they can still go to work and get their skills done while the kids are still young, dal yn ifanc, but all the skills will be good. Dwi'n gobeithio anyway, I don't know. So my first legacy, it definitely gets more chaotic. It definitely gets more chaotic as you go. But how is everyone doing? Sy'n pawb yn neud? I hope everybody has been keeping well, bod yn cadw'n dda. It's been a cael and Mai hapus. Happy May Day fel time. If you celebrate. Spring is here, like Gwanwyn yma. I really wish I think Seasons is a pack in Sims though, which is unfortunate. I would use it as like everything in this. You go follow winter and stuff and make it really fun. I don't mind doing base game. I do like doing base game, but sometimes it just gets very chaotic and maybe. I do see the point of the packs. Okay, so where was I? Clearly, right. You've got your day off. Go make some food. Also, the old cooker, for some reason, the cooker hen, gyfer ryw reswm, mynd ar tân. I don't know why. It was gone on fire quite a few times. I don't know why. Go meet the baby. Oh, things to say it's sleeping actually. Betty, what do you need to do anything? You know that I'm so good at what I need to do. Complete. So Kurt is a chef. I've done him as well. They've got family leave, obviously. Can you like polish to perfection this? What I've got Hugo doing is need to go pee. Pretty much just painting, just painting, because I just let him do what he wants to do. He's got quite a full life ahead. Now that baby's here, now baby Matt is going to change a bit. Mum, do you know anything back? You're all good. Oh no! Oh, we gotta get a date. Clarity, do you have work today? 8 hours. Can you, with hours, so 5 o'clock, 5 o'clock. We're gonna schedule a date with, oh wait, what time does she work? What time does Crystal work? Can we get a baby? Can we get a baby and a wedding before she dies? Open sim profile. She works like 9 to 5, I think. I could see it. I never think well done again. Where's that gone? Let's see. We can try schedule a date. Did I see that in it? No, is there like schedule a date bit somewhere? And a social event? Is that it? Gyda. Don't die. Do not die. Can you like... so, hold on. Inventory. Best get in inventory. Have like all your inventory out? Yes. Have you finished your last few paintings? Yeah. What I've also done is, Cael need to get some like little sculptures done before like to pass on and carry them on, because I think with the legacy the whole point is stuff to carry on. Well, my legacy anyway. Going to die soon. How about we have you clear my camera. We didn't get the camera for you, did we? Camera's here. It's honestly not too bad for the camera, because the camera doesn't get here. Go here. No, actually, go here. Can you take a picture of Envis and the baby? I'm gonna try and get pictures. Take a photo. Just take a photo, actually. Can I get a picture of Maya and the baby? Definitely agos. Are you going to be too close? Oh. Okay. A little bit too close. Just getting your boobs. Let's do one of you, two of you. And then after the dates are all the dates of what thingy. I think what we're gonna do. Pause. Pause it. Pause it.
Still.
Pause. Sorry. Don't die just yet. Just putting them on the wall. Taking loads because I've seen a tip of Roslyn. Take like 5, you get their skill up, and also you'll get some blurry ones, so I just need to go through them and sort out the blurry ones, as well the non-blurry ones. nid ar diwedd. Okay, we're just gonna see what you want to do last. Extinguish fire. Listen to... You wanna just go listen to music? Alternative. Actually, why don't you go and like talk to your... Have a little bit of socialising tomorrow, because I don't think they're gonna... I want to say they'll survive. Can you join in cooking? Can we have a nice little moment where you...
Oh!
Just have like a nice cooking time.
Are you free? Hola, oh.
I'm really worried about doing the toddler too early now. What is that on the floor? Cool. Oh, I forgot about diapers. No, no. That is fine. I don't think we need a bin in here. Can you plan a social event?
What is Deroy? Bledo Blofa. Fredoy ye Breppa.
No. I mean, do you want a house party? I don't know if we want a house party. I'm gonna get you to have a shower though. And brush teeth. And then, can you just invite to... We should do like a hangout on the lot. Because that would be much easier. Do you want to pop by guys still? Ti'n gweithio? Are you working? That would be much easier before work. Kurt, do you want to go see your actual child before doing stuff? Do you want... Should I age up? Those have age up on there. I don't know if I need to age up. I've also got tomorrow. Alright, I was thinking about aging them up tomorrow. Just because it's a little bit easier in this state. Because tomorrow's Kurt's birthday. So if we just age him up at the same time. Age him running in Amsterdam. Or we do it once... can we do it at a party? When Crystal's here we can age him up. And then... Should we have to put like a toddler bed here? Go take your baby. It's your board. I know you want food. I'm also gonna try and get her to like fitness. Because I think he likes fitness. Hugo, what do you need to do? You need social? Okay. That's fine. Yeah? Wait, hold on. Who's his baby? You just go there. Sorry. Trying to do multiple Sims. I do want to concentrate. Not him again, not again. Why is this happening? Please don't say it's a fire. Okay. Who knows where you going? Oh, excuse me. Well, you can... Don't go and die. I'm gonna keep an eye on her for a little bit. Dipyn bach. Can you not die? Oh, okay, I think maybe we should age up the baby then. We can get you to make the cake as well then. You need a cacan. Oh, Kurt is there, it's fine. There's a crying baby. Oh. Yeah. Kurt. bounce, cuddle. I forgot. So infants are bad. Infants and toddlers aren't too bad. Mae infants a toddlers ddim rhy ddrwg. They're not too bad. Not say so. Isn't Malu? No. I think what we're gonna have to do. Oh, I don't die before. Okay, so. Oh, this is annoying. Okay, we can do this. Then I get to it. This is a lot. Why was the baby crying? Okay, I think we might age him up in neither. Anyways, grab some food, then invite in. And then I think, can you like do a date? Can you just be flirt? We can do romance music. Wait, is there a romance bit in the thing in here? We can do it. Then I can do that. So I think we actually just age up. Oh, you know, we need bladder, but the baby needs to cuddle the baby. Then baby, actually, can you see the baby's needs when it's a baby? Nope, that's annoying. Okay, cool. Sorry, that's the one thing I do like about the infants one. The infants one, you could see what the needs were. If you just rock.
Ooh, keep that.
Invite in, come in first. Tim Dodgebell, are you gonna come in or are you just gonna hang out there? More choices. More choices. Ask. Flirtation. No. Ask on date. I think we haven't really done a lot with Ennis, so I think for a change we do a little bit with Ennis first. We're just gonna do a little flirty. We will let the house be wherever the house is. Mati, beth bynnag Mati, is really annoying that she has got ask on date.
Yibs.
Yankee Bermuda.
Okay, cool. Then, no, Adriana. Oh, it's too many Sims. I don't know how people do Sims in a bubble knitted. I think you need to go pee. Yeah.
Fella balloon.
Asabil.
Hoo-hoo, harpy.
Isn't it with? What did I do? Oh, cool. I mean, we let the house be the house, I think. We get you somewhere nice. Where's somewhere nice and romantic to go? Let's go to Blue Velvet. No. Yes. Oh, they're like the gym. We'll go here. Don't have to manage myself, need to. I feel like this might be a bad choice, but that's fine. The house can be the house. I don't think we'll be burning down. Oh no, it's the Sims. My own Sims, and I can say that. Dwi ddim yn meddwl dda'n ffosgi. Well, I'm really hoping nothing burns while I'm away. I'm also gonna like do tua awr about an hour episode. I'm going to switch them down to like 1 hour, 1 episode per week, un wythnos per panad per wythnos. Oh, sorry, just because I was on a Sims hyper fixation. $2. I'm still building rings stuff, but I'm making loads of rings back, bag load rings and trio cael content arall. Different bach allan hefyd. And other things that's going on right now. Socialise with your date. How about we sit together? Be like, hey. Well, let's I went to the park. Be like, hey, we met in the park, but you know. We're gonna get our flirt on. Inside joke. There was a romance bar before. Me and I romance bar kids. Just a nice flirting I dechrau to start off with. This picture is kind of handy. That's about career.
Yay, boo, crew.
Oh, Vadish.
Bobinef?
Uh-huh.
Ooh, keep that fella below.
Sorry, I'm
Golba.
Writer's assistant. Oh, it's newid. You were a... Okay. You were an athletics thing last time. I did like athletics studies there. Never mind. What was that? She doesn't really know what music she likes right now. To go out enough just there. Where is telling engaging story? Is it in here? Don't ask me, just friends. Talk about treasured memory. That's quite nice. Play my stories. No. If I could tell a story in the end, we will find out. I'll let the conversation play a bit more. Tell your day-to-day story. Compliment appearance. Nanny.
Swota.
I thought they were more romantic than this. Might take a little bit. Didn't have word. You didn't get food. That's fine. I think you can order some snacks. Cael, can you order? Ar gyfer pawb, order grab chips. Order ar gyfer group, for the group. Trio gala. Let's do that. Okay, tea. So they're not flirty. The trio gala not flirty. Can you change this music to romance, please? Oh, can you not change it? That's annoying. Okay. No, that's not. It's like, so in a tea in the house, we've got like a stereo that's got romance enabled in it. Oh, there was hug. Oh wait, hold on. He's about interest.
Oh, Rishi.
Yay, boo, crew.
Freed.
Like, if we can get a wedding out of this, then that can help us. But I know Kurt and Mai was extra other with. They were more before. I do want to have a wedding before, and my sim dies if I can.
Barton! Philibrook Labala!
Food and drinks for both of you. So is that your drink? You come in here? Yes, okay, cool. So, sorry, I'm trying to. I don't usually order drinks and do stuff with mixology things. No. Okay, sorry, the internet. I want you to be my girlfriend. Don't give the cold shoulder. Be more flirty. I want to get them into. We'll do. I have asked about Woohoo Interesting Single before. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna. No, I'm gonna do it again. Maybe, I don't know if that'll get them in the mood. Is there a Woohoo bush around or something? Yeah.
Ah.
Okay, so why don't we go to the park? Oh, hwnna'n toro rhywbeth i digwydd. I also want to try and do this date cyn y date cyn before my sim dies, because trying to do this when they were sad was very not fun. I have told my date a story. That's one with you? Do they have like a delay? Dwi'n gweithio? Sorry, I'm trying to. I know I did a date last time, but I did it in the house. I shouldn't too, so I'm sure if I got her. The new wheel, my wheel now is very handy. Okay, so you're energized to the romantic. Bob, stay there. Sorry, got down little legs. Clues about interest. We need to get more flirty though. Can we do pickup line? I forgot, like, I don't feel like how much like work there is. Find so quite in to get them to be flirty. Oh wait, can I change the lot traits on this? Is that cheatier? Is there a woohoo bush? Would that work to have someone? Let's do like talking, and then we'll do like attraction, and then we'll not be full on. Not even quite full on. Clear, where is that? Where's the engaging story thing?
Asboo.
Habla me!
Yubs.
Yibla! It's so! Hayabu!
I know it comes here. I'm dod fama. Wait, where is it? It's not funny. In actions? No. No. Where's the tell engaging story? Oh, you can have that assigned maybe, that's cool, but we're not doing that just yet. Dim eto. Let's at least give them time to know each other. Dim bach I cael amser. Where is
Habini Ishuba.
Stephanie.
Yeah, but
blow a kiss.
Pilfin.
Are they flirty then?
Slick.
Oh, Vadish. Oh. Oh.
I'm gonna snuggle. So cute. Oh, what cute. Oh, that's so cute. Okay. What do you do first kiss? And then, does that mean both of you? Can we ask you to be girlfriend now, please? Clemaya, where's it gone? We've asked if single before. Where can't I? Oh, where? No. Let me go.
Oh, bleesh.
Uh-huh. Oh.
That's so
Told ya.
cute.
Arabe.
Why is one of the Sims not flirty? It's because you're energized.
Kasoy baby.
Oh!
Oh.
I missed it because I was trying to get a good shot.
Oh.
So you both flirty now? No. Okay. Can... It's fine. This is a successful date if we can be girlfriends.
Shazzle.
Hold hands. What's the tell your date story thing? We might be done when it has that come up yet? Because I don't know. Does a bad date affect your thingy? Where is tell negating story? Oh wait, do friendly and then more choices. Hold on. Day. Okay.
Taregna?
Aga.
Sweet, okay. I'm gonna add you to the household in a second.
Jongi.
You just, it's a full-on household. You just come in.
Ina. Viola Gora.
Do we propose? Well,
Tobana. Yifatame. Sababa. A plea. Shoe pizza. Think no. Shoe. Mouse
I
sled.
mean, you're both feeling it right now. Let's. Oh, I don't. Yeah, fuck it. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Let's do it.
Yasana.
This is like very full. Like, I don't know. What's it like? I don't understand. Like, you know, I don't understand. Some dates can be this like full on, but also I don't know how I'd feel about, you know,
Oh, Wadisa.
like having a date and then
Benara?
proposing at the same time.
Borima Hinaba. Oh,
Did you get it?
Falaroo.
They engaged.
Branca Flanobo.
Wait, they proposed?
Guna.
Lavar.
Oh,
No, Queethia, did that work? Did I miss it? Maybe we can do it in the house then. Okay.
Pampini.
Tina.
They done it too.
Jessa.
I don't know why one's in this. They did. I'm dying floaty. I don't know. Okay, we will do. To embrace. Let's do snuggle, because snuggle was really cute. Flirt. Maybe then propose.
Wernoi. JB Wixu.
Oh, you don't want babies? No, I mean, that's fine. We can not have legacy then. Yeah, that's fine. I think we still like you. I don't know. Do you wanna?
Oh, Sula.
Galna.
Susu.
Do we want to have them as their partner if they don't want babies? Yeah, do you want to propose them? That's fine. Too late now. Not really would. It's late now. Ah, so cute. Very cute. You profess and die in love, and then before the date ends, can you do? I don't understand this. Like, I don't understand why my Sims fi ddim yn flirty. I think the energize is over it. Can we add you to the household? So, pan chi... The Sims just not do anything. Is your household paused, Dewch?
Wash annoy.
Measy. Gabba woony hish.
Lisserack.
Turnoi.
Oh,
Is
Venus.
your household paused? Baiting, what is that? Don't stretch. I'm gonna do caress cheek. Where say my add to household? There is an add to household somewhere. Where is add to household? Because I'm gonna get you. What? Why is my sim not in the third? Sorry, fly. No, I want to get my sim in a flirty mode. Queen, like, kiss. No, kiss was so deep then. I have no idea why my sim is not flirty. Can we woohoo somewhere? No, you need a woohoo brush. Is that even a base game? Wait, no. My corpse is red, isn't it?
Oh, Insula.
I think we're not going to be able to do that. Weirdly. I mean, it's a silver date. One day it's to with you. I think you can miss work today. There's been a lot. Can you? Yeah, just miss work. I know. I'm assuming it's gonna affect. It is gonna affect it, but I don't care. We have got a girlfriend. Massage? Is it in here? What's it? Affection? Massage was somewhere. Alpha Rose. Massage came up a minute ago. Don't know where. I have no idea where it is. Romance? Where's the massage one? Best one is. Don't go. Oh no, found it. Found away. Goodbye. Puppy. There. And then we can possibly get a gold one.
Cael.
So we have her household. So that's the plan. Remember the plan?
Tube.
We had to miss work. Mae'n iawn. We had to miss work gwaith yn iawn. We've got that. I need to want to add you to the household. Sut yn neud hynna? Oh, we'll get you married anyway. Give you dog on wedyn. Sweet. Main game has been done.
Wash annoy. Yibs, Sharuna in a prep.
It's so cute. Can we get a wedding? Can we go back? Can we travel? maybe get a... Oh no, I gotta wait for this to be done. Hold on. Those should be finished in a second.
Yasin our biped.
Banza Looney.
Ooh.
Mm,
Oh, second
yes, sweet. So now we can go back to the house. We can be like, oh hey, look, this is what's happened. Travel. Leave household. I think so anyway, doing credit. Travel. Okay, we'll get it sorted and we'll take it back to the house and be like, hey, Demon, have you just left? Do you want to come back to the house? And be like, hey, look, I'm gonna be your future-in-law. What have I done? Where do we need one? No, don't do that. Cancel. Yes. So I did a bad. She did bad, didn't I? That was my bad. And I'm bad V. Sorry, you got sorry about that, Rhan. Just send a quick message there. Oh, foam ready made. Sorry. So yeah, so that's one goal. In goal to go made. One goal finished. Which is perfect. Which is perfect. Okay, so actually, panad didn't actually go home because I have a feeling that we're not my OG Sim's not long for the world, so let's just go back to the house, be like, hey, this is what happened. I'm back from a date. Do you know all the dates we do to engaged? Hey, quick mover. We can have, I can then organise a wedding. Do I want a wedding on Kurt's birthday? Do you want a wedding tonight? I should priodas yno a beidio fyny babi. Can you, if you age up the baby, can the baby come? Or should we just leave the baby there? This is what I mean. It goes from like normal, mynd o normal to just chaotic. Very quickly. Said in young. Kind of love it. I do kind of love it, but it's I'm just trying to get everything sorted. Just to cael bob dim sortio wedi cael setio fyny, because what I'll do is we'll try and get the wedding today. Dwi'n cael priodas on the stream. Then I'll just okay. That comes up every time, but I don't actually know what has been removed. Beth wedi cael ei gadael. Where are you? You're there. I had a little panic then, because I was like, wait, hold on. I'm really sorry, Cadwyn. We're not going to have a little birthday party for you. I think... Oh gosh, small partner, that's so cute. Mae'n mor cute. I think just age up the baby. Age up on your baby. Diana, did you need to work on something? You're complete and everything. Just age up the baby. I honestly think at this point, just aging them up. I feel like we should give him a birthday party, but it's going into an infant, it's fine. When the infants are fine. And then what I'm gonna do, oh my casket, that's fine, we can get to sleep then. Bed millennial wedding. That's cute. Oh wait, hold on. No, don't go back. I need to go age the baby. What does the baby look like? Wiggly. Oh, okay. These Sims are always on the go. I want to play them around health and struggle to sleep. Pay attention. Oh, okay. That's gonna be fun. Oh my god, it looks so cute. You are so stinking cute. Oh, hold on. In here. Take a vacation day because I don't want that. That's so cute. 9. Go up and see the new baby. And we're gonna need to get a crib. Well, great. Yeah, that's fine. Oh, the space buns is so cute. You took a photo. Oh, good. Do you have a camera? Can you no, go before you die, please go before you die. Go, and then I want you to take a picture of the toddler. Because they've got the best skills. Oh, this is very chaotic. Take a photo of. I think we can maybe take Creadigol to the wedding then. Sorry, anyways, taken away from your spotlight a little bit. The spotlight's clearly different bad. Yeah, I know. But they've got an... You need food. This is why I like I do like the infants, do the cute infants. She's not missing work. I do like the infants. Okay, go work then. Just wait. Go to work then. Pretty sure you got a vacation day, but that's fine. Go work. Also, turn that off because we're tan. Then go check your daughter. Tell your daughter aged up at the merch die oedio fyny. Take a photo. No, wait. Go back, don't. Can you just take a photo? That's cute. Because I can get a picture of my and Creadigol. Sorry, it's really difficult. I don't know if there's a photography mod, Osman, just for that mod photography. But I can't get like the stand, so I can't get like multiple Sims together. So if I can get pictures of like little moments like this. That's cute. Oh, game. And then what we do. Pause. She's so close to death. My one got to eat battle. That. Like I said, off stream, I'm probably gonna go check the photos and get the best ones into frames. Iframia. and then go check on your daughter, granddaughter. You need like clean up. Oh, we're gonna have toddler and just one bath. Oh, okay, we might have to. It'll be fine. I will give them a proper bed in a second. Growling on and change the tea and change the house after. So I think maybe next time we call it here for now. Next time we have a wedding. Hopefully she doesn't die. Next time we have a wedding, she does not die, and I'm really hoping that. She's really close. Oh my, really are close.
No, do. Norfa, yes.
Can you go here? Okay. Okay. I'm gonna try and do one thing before. In Perth Kinmond. And then I really hope she does not die. Really hope my thing does not die off stream. If they do die off stream, why do you have so much stuff in your inventory? Okay, I'm gonna have to sort this out in a second. I didn't realize you had so much stuff. Oh yeah, the tree is like falling through. Can we get like Babby and name?
A pleva.
Okay, so I'm kind of. Okay, so I think if we save here and then save here, we call it that. Call it that. Goffan wanna. But then I'm gonna sort the house out. So put the toddler bed properly there and a diwad. We're gonna get Crystal something around to move in. Cause I need to go get some adult food and sort of gas and stuff out now. So yeah, doing that. I'm really hoping to get the wedding before my OG son dies. And then we now for the infant we still have Hugo in the house now with Hugo not here, so that's cool. Lots of rearranging to do. We need kind of a little bit chaotic, and then I'm gonna try and get baby 4 thingy. But yeah, diolch pawb yn ddod. Thank you everybody for watching. Thank you pawb sydd wedi aros yn y stream, di popi fewn stream a bob dim. Diolch pawb sy'n gwylio ar y vod. Thank you everybody for watching the vod. I'm still new to Sims, so if you've got any tips and stuff, gadwch chi gwybod. All my stuff is on the Sims gallery, the mynwent, the wedding-y bit, which was trying to help do today, trio wneud heddiw, but we'll see. The date took a bit longer, but we are nearly there. I think I'm on the right track. Might stream this later in the week or next week, depending what's in digwydd. I'm going to try and get some more builds allan. I'm going to be building Techniquest. I'm going to try adeiladu Techniquest, but that'll be in my other playthrough when I do, because I'm going to use mod cheats and stuff. But yeah, diolch pawb yn ôl. I hope you have a lovely day. Cadw'n dda. Just cadw'n saff, and you're all amazing. Dach chi'n gyd yn amazing. Diolch am gwylio. Thanks for watching. Nope.